Hello everyone, this is Venugopal. Today we will see the solution for write a program to accept an integer and check if it is even or odd. So let us start with the dev C++ editor and let us make the comment as write a program to accept an integer and check if it is even or odd. So let's include the header files, the required header files, and then we'll start with the main function. First thing is what we need one integer number. So what we will do, we'll take a number from the user. So for that, we'll ask user, please enter a number. If user enters, we need to scan that. So it's an integer. So we need to take what? Percent D, comma, address of that num variable. We have got the number. Now it's time to check whether this number is even or odd. So what is the logic to check the number whether it is even or odd? So let us see. It's very simple. If I'll say is my 4 number is even or odd, so what we will do? We'll simply divide this number by 2. If the number 2 is completely divisible, right, then we can say that this number is even. Okay, for example, we'll divide this 4 by 2. Okay, so to check whether the remainder is 0 or not, we have the symbol. What that symbol? Mod of 2 equal to 0. That means if this number after dividing by this 2, right, will it gives any reminder, for example, other than 0? If it is 0, then we can say that this number is even, or the number would be odd. It's a simple logic. For example, if I'll divide this 5 mod 2 equal to, is it 0? Definitely not, because 2 to the 4, that means the remainder is 1. So it's not equating with this condition. Okay, so to check whether the number is even or odd, that number should be divisible by 2. If it is completely divisible, that means the remainder would be 0. If it is not completely divisible, that means the remainder is different than 0. On that case, the number would be considered as the odd number. Okay, so let us do this with the program. Now how to check? We know the conditions, control structures. If the number mod of 2, right, because we don't know the number, so that is the reason why I have taken as num mod of 2 is equal to 0. That means what? That means the number is printf, what, the number is, better to say the number is, will place the percent d is even, right, and here we'll write what? Num. Else printf percent d is odd. Simple logic. Okay, only here this symbol plays a very important role to check whether the given number is even or odd. Okay, so this is the main logic, this is the main sentence, right, which will decide whether this number is even or odd. Okay, so let us execute and check. Control S, C, and here suppose I'll write like even or odd. If I'll execute this, it will ask for the number. Yes, enter in a number, for example 5. Now tell me, is this 5 is going to be divided completely by 2? No, the remainder would be 1. That means the if part is not going to be executed, the else part is going to execute, and that is what the 5 is odd. Okay, suppose we'll take another number. If I'll execute 6, yes, 6 is completely divisible by 2, remainder is 0, then the number is even. It's very simple logic. So this is the program of finding whether the number is even or odd by using if and else statement. So I hope you have understood the logic to find out the if and even or odd number. So we will meet up with some more videos. Till then, keep watching. Bye bye.